from your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Joy-Con or just your Pro controller back to your Nintendo Switch. So what you want to do is just on the home screen here, go on over to controllers, then go to change grip order, and then you can press the plus button and the minus button on your controller, and this will put it in like the sync mode, and it should be discovered now. So you can see I can see the left one. I'm going to press the top trigger. So this one's still looking, so I'm going to go ahead and press the plus on this one. And boom, it's on there now. So let's go back now. Let's close that. So now I can press the top buttons, boom, and then the triggers, boom, and this is connected now. Otherwise you can hold down the sync button right here, and this will also connect the controller. It's going to put it into the pairing mode as well. So it's blinking, and then it's paired. Otherwise, at any point in time, you can just go to the front of the Nintendo Switch and slide these into the dock and connect them. And then you can remove them, and that will connect your controller also. Otherwise, you can connect them with a USB cable if you have the Pro controller. That will probably be the easiest way. But put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, and you can come to this section. Otherwise, your Nintendo Switch should be able to find these if you don't have a remote or anything to come to this section. And then you should be good to go. Just connect it and pair it like I did on that screen. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on your Six Tech.